yung kwan. Ako yung source of information. May ibang tao, makikita mo pa lang, alam mo may kwento ito. Alam mo bang latest? Tanungin mo siya. Siya lahat ang magsasabi. Meron ba sa grupo nyo yung source, main source? Kayo mga gumagatong na lang kayo, di ba? Nagko-confirm lang kayo. Okay. But that's your image mo eh. You want the latest chismis about chat. Tanungin natin siya. Wow, yun ang value mo. Source of information. Real or not. What do you tell people about most of the time? Some, ang FYI nila palagi pag nakausap mo, their health. Well, last week I had some health issues, but I didn't want to tell people. People notice, but I made the decision long ago that my health issues are mine and the doctors. I don't have to read a health bulletin to everyone, ganito ko kasi ito nangyari kanina, ganun. Detailed. You know why? People have their own health problems. People have their own problems. So today, I'm asking you to be mindful. Mindfulness. What is your FYI? Anong statement mo? Ako pati kasi problematic ako na tao. Ang dami akong pinagdaanan. So, you keep talking about your problems. Every time people you talk with, problema kasi. Meron din naman yung FYI, pag lumalapit na, Father, meron pa tayo dyan. So, you choose. What I'm saying is this, wala na bang ibang FYI for your information, kundi sarili mo lang. Perhaps, we have to become aware that as Christians, one of the basic things na kinakalat natin is not about ourselves, but about God. Do you talk to people about God?